In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create personalized covers in Notion to give your pages a unique and professional look. Let's get started. Open the Notion page you want to customize. At the top of the page, click Add Cover. If a cover already exists, click Change Cover. Browse Notion's built-in gallery to choose a cover image or select Upload to use an image from your computer. You can also use an image from Unsplash or paste an image link if available. After selecting your cover, click Reposition to adjust which part of the image is displayed at the top of the page. To make the page even more personal, add a custom page icon by clicking Add Icon and choosing an emoji or uploading your own image. Repeat these steps for other pages to create a consistent style throughout your Notion workspace. That's how to create personalized covers in Notion. Thanks for watching.